I'm Sohee. I'm an experienced online Korean teacher and I have been a tour guide in Korea. So you can say I know Korean and Korea well enough to teach you a few travel phrases when you first arrive in Korea. It may be your first time planning to Korea, feeling nervous, or maybe you have been to Korea and felt frustrated because you didn't know a word. If you're coming to Seoul, Incheon Airport will be the place you're landing. Imagine being able to confidently navigate around Korea as well as its airport. In the first episode of the travel series, we are going to explore the different transportation options as well as some useful phrases. Guess where we are now? If you guess Incheon Konghang, you'll be right. Konghang stands for airport. And if you come from abroad, probably you're taking international flights. 국제선. If you took the domestic flight, 국내선, maybe you're from Jeju, then you'll be arriving at the Gimpo Konghang, Gimpo Airport. If you drive, you might need to find the parking lot, 주차장. So a lot of parking lots are marked with the P sign, so look out for that. And if you're asking for help, where's the car park? Then you can ask, 주차장은 어디에 있어요? 어디에 있어요 means where is. So if you're asking where's the parking lot, 주차장은 어디에 있어요? You'll be putting the subject or the topic in front of 어디에 있어요. In Korea, many airports have convenient basement parking. Basement is 지하. So basement parking lot is 지하 주차장. 주차장은 어디에 있어요? But if you don't drive or you don't want to rent a car, it's alright. Perfectly okay. There are a lot of different options you can choose from. For example, the airport railway. The airport railway is 공항철도, and it is a very fast and affordable way to get to other places from the airport. If you want to ask, where do I get on the airport railway? You can ask, 공항철도는 어디에서 타요? 공항철도는 어디에서 타요? 타요 means to get on something like transportation. And if you're not so familiar with the stations in Korea, you probably will have to learn this phrase. How do I get to the destination? From here. For example, your destination is 동대문역. 역 means station. Something something에서 and something something까지 is the pattern of from here to there. Then you can ask, 여기에서 동대문역까지 어떻게 가요? From here to Dongdaemun Station, how can I get there? And you're always going to say 여기에서 because 여기 means here. So from here to there. 어떻게, how. 가요, to go. 여기에서 동대문역까지 어떻게 가요? And now you have to listen for the answer, which is the hardest part, right? But no worries. Probably they just answer take line number something something, and there's line 1 to 9 in Seoul's subway. If you're still struggling with the numbers, let me just remind you here, we're using the Sino-Korean numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, no 10. And after a number, you say 호선, which means the line number. Let's say is line number 1, it will be 1호선. And here's a sample answer. 공항철도를 타고 서울역까지 가서 1호선으로 갈아타시면 돼요. And we have a new verb here, which is 갈아타다, to transfer. Apologies for interrupting, but you know what? If you're still struggling with the Korean pronunciation, do check the link out below in the description box. We offer a free course on how to read Korean properly, so you can master your first step to Korean alphabets. See you there, do check it out. Other than the airport railway, you also can get to your destination by airport bus, 공항버스. For the bus ticket, you can either buy it inside or outside the airport. And if you want to ask where is the bus ticket counter, you can ask 공항버스 매표소는 어디에 있어요? 매표소 is the ticket counter. 4번 게이트 옆에 있습니다. 4번, number 4, 게이트, gate. 옆에, next to, 옆에 있습니다. And if you're now trying to find the bus stop, you can change the subject to 공항버스 종류장. 종류장 is the bus stop. 공항버스 종류장은 어디에 있어요? And very often we want to know the bus number because that's the hard thing, right? So now I want to go to Hongdae. 홍대에 가려면 몇 번 버스를 타야 돼요? 가려면 is if I want to get to, if I want to go there. So 몇 번, which number? 타야 돼요. Do I need to take? 홍대에 가려면 몇 번 버스를 타야 돼요? 6002번 버스를 타시면 돼요. And if you want to confirm, let's say, does this bus stop in front of the Myeongdong Hotel? Then you can ask, 이 버스는 명동 호텔 앞에 가요? 앞에 means in front of. 이 버스는 명동 호텔 앞에 가요? 네, 가요. 아니요, 안 가요. Want a more direct ride? Take a taxi. Taxi is really easy. Taxi is just taxi. There are different types of taxis, so make sure you know which is which. Standard taxis in Seoul are generally orange, but the colors are different in other regions. Silver-colored taxis are usually found in cities. If you see a blue sedan taxi in Seoul, is it an electric car? But the taxi fare is the same as the standard ones. And this bright yellow colored taxi is in Seoul and also in other areas, is operated by the Taxi Cooperative Network, and the base taxi fare is also similar to the standard taxis. Deluxe taxi, also known as model taxi in Korean, they are black with a yellow sign on the top. So the difference from the regular ones is that it's more spacious but with a higher fare, is of a higher standard of service as well. If you're in a group of travelers, taking a van taxi is for you. It can accommodate 6 to 10 passengers. However, the fares are the same as deluxe taxi. If you want to get one of these taxis, you can always inquire from the information desk in the airport. And once you're on the taxi, you can say to the taxi driver, taxi driver is 기사님, 기사님. Let's say you're trying to go to Gangnam, so you will ask, 기사님, 강남으로 가주세요. Please take me to Gangnam. And if you have to remember one phrase, this is it. 얼마나 걸려요? 얼마나 걸려요? How long will it take? Because time is money, right? Especially when you're traveling. 강남까지 얼마나 걸려요? How long will it take to Gangnam? 보통 1시간쯤 걸려요. 1시간, 1 hour. 쯤 is around. Here we've learned the different types of transportation options as well as some useful traveling phrases in the airport. And in the next episode, we are going to learn about the restaurants, shops, as well as the services inside. So see you there!